How to delete Telegram downloaded videos. That's what I will show you today. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is posted. With that said, let's get started. So the process is very easy and simple. Just follow these steps. Go ahead and open up Telegram. And once you do that, click on the three lines at the top left corner of the screen and click on Settings. On this page right here, scroll down to the Settings section and from there, click on Data and Storage. And once you do that, you will get to this page right here, from which you need to click on the Storage Usage from the Disk and Network Usage section. Once you are on this page right here, click on the blue button that says Clear Cache. As soon as you do that, all of the Telegram downloaded videos will be removed. And keep in mind that all of the videos will stay in the Telegram cloud and can be re-downloaded if you need them again, as Telegram tells you at the bottom right here. So that was it for this video. That's how to delete Telegram downloaded videos. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below. With that said, see you in the next video.